Hey everyone, this is Dragoș from ChatPhoto, and today I will show you how you can easily convert images to text on iPhone. You might be wondering how ChatPhoto is better than iOS Live Text, and this is why. With iOS Live Text you can only convert images to text, but with ChatPhoto you can chat with your photos. You can convert your non-text images as well. I will show you some use cases in this demo. So let's get started. I prepared a few photos for this demo, but I don't have any specific scripts that I wrote. And let's start with how we can create social media caption from a photo. Suppose we have this picture with the cat and we have no clue what to write in our caption. We would select a prompt from that the app offers. We can choose this one, write a caption for Instagram, and then we send it to the app. Now we will wait a few seconds for the app to generate the caption. And once it's ready, we can just copy it to clipboard and then we can paste on Instagram or where we want to use it. This also works for Pinterest or any other social media network that you use. So suppose that we do not want like this caption, we can just ask the app like, can you create 2 more captions for this photo? And the app will listen and will create 2 more captions. Yeah, so this is the result. Let's take another picture. This time I will take actually a contract. So on iOS with live text you could probably take the text from this photo, but what if we want more? Let's say we want to ask ChatPhoto to translate the text from this photo. Can you translate this photo and tell me if the first page of this contract photo misses anything? And then we will submit to ChatPhoto. We can add, like, suppose you have a 10-page contract, you can add 10 photos for that contract, and then you can chat about that contract. And you can ask like different questions. So see, ChatPhoto gives us nice explanation, explains exactly what it is in the contract. Of course, like, there is a disclaimer that ChatPhoto is not a lawyer, and you should always try to use a lawyer if you have anything legal to ask. But at least it's a good starting point for you to understand better. And if we are not a native English speaker in this case, we could ask ChatPhoto, can you translate the terms of this contract photo to Spanish? And okay, so it gave us a response in Spanish, but I guess I need to rewrite the prompt. Explain this contract photo in Spanish. ChatPhoto has a lot of use cases, and obviously I can't demo everything in a single video, but I will try to at least help you understand what ChatPhoto does. So we can see here that ChatPhoto translated the contract photo into Spanish. Of course, I'm not a Spanish speaker, but I suppose it did a good job to translate it to Spanish. So let's see what other use cases. Let's take this jacket here. We have an e-commerce shop, and we have some product photos, and we want an app to help us create an e-commerce listing. In this case, we can select a prompt from the app. We can select this one, create an e-commerce description for the product from this photo. But we also want a title, create an e-commerce title and description. And again, you can add more than one photo and not only one. Currently, the multiple photos functionality works only for premium users. So you would have to to subscribe to a premium account. On the free plan, you can use only one photo at a time, and you get 4 free messages per month. As we can see, it created a very nice title and a very good description that we can use. It also gave us some key features and conclusion to the description. You don't have to copy everything, but it gives you a starting point for you to create this product title and description. I hope it's clear how ChatPhoto is better than iOS Live Text and how you can convert your images to text easily in just a few seconds. So if you want, go on to chatphoto.com. You will find a link for the ChatPhoto app. Currently, ChatPhoto is only available for iOS, but maybe in the future we'll make it available for other platforms as well. I wish you a great day and thank you for watching this.